Hi, Farmer Dean here, and I'm going to make my BLT dressing to put on my BLT salad, but we're going to make the dressing first, so it's going to be in two videos. So here we have my favorite mayo. Then I have 2 tablespoons of bacon grease and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and then of course some fresh basil. I'm going to mix all of those in. So let me give you a hint. If it's really thick when you get through making it doesn't pour well, just put in a little bit of milk or heavy cream. That'll lighten it up so it pours evenly for you. But if this is a simple dressing to make, you can use it on anything. If you want to keep it thick, you can actually use it on BLT sandwiches. We're making it thinner so we can use it on BLT salads. So I've mixed it all up, and I'm going to give it a little taste here. OMGs, that is great.